Privatization is a bitter tablet, but it is a tablet that will cure. Hello and Jai Hind everyone. Today my lecture topic is privatization of universities. Friends, in India, higher education includes both public and private. If I talk about the public university, they get fund from the government of India as well as the state government. But the private universities get fund from the students, guardian, alumni, private honors, cooperation, and generally the private universities are lower in size as compared to the public universities. If I talk about the advantage of the private universities, then first is the infrastructure. As we know, they have no any worry about the funding. They get money from the private owners, so they provide best infrastructure for the student, as well as they provide best faculty for the student, and they are highly experienced from the other side of India as well as other country. Second is the industrial experience, that in public universities and colleges generally students do not get the industrial experience from the other side, but in private institution they college provide good experience in the industrial. They provide workshop in other industrial, and there is also facilities of the online as well as offline mix up of the education, and they also get good equipments of the laboratories, and they provide all the practical knowledge that any student want. If I talk about the disadvantage of the private universities, then first and the biggest disadvantage is the like they are very limited courses. They do not provide numerous kind of courses as compared to the public institution. Second is exposure. In public universities, the students who take admission, they meet with numerous kind of people. They get numerous kind of experiences from the all the side of life. They watch the life very closely, but in private university they feel alone. If I talk about another disadvantage, that is in private institution, the fees are very high, and it is biggest disadvantage. Like any student who cannot afford to go to any private college, they generally take dropout after class 12. Friends, in my conclusion, as today in India both colleges are highly demanded, and students who got good number in the IIT examination, they got premier college in India, and who have a good money, then they can go in private institution according to their preference. And in a public institution of India should be upgraded, should be enhanced, their infrastructure should be enhanced, the education system should be enhanced, the practical knowledge, so that they can also compete with the private universities, and they can be more and more superior, because that is very easier things to get knowledge for all the poor students. Thank you.